In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert links in PowerPoint slides. If you've ever wanted to make your presentations more interactive and engaging, adding hyperlinks is a great way to connect different elements or direct your audience to additional resources. So whether you're linking to a web page, another slide within your presentation, or a document, I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First off, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It's essential to have your PowerPoint software ready to go, as we'll be diving right into the presentation you want to work on. Once PowerPoint is opened, navigate to the specific presentation you'd like to modify. Make sure it's the one where you intend to add these dynamic links, as this will ensure your attention is focused and your changes are correctly applied. Now identify the text, shape or image in your slide that will serve as the trigger for your hyperlink. This is the element that when clicked your audience will be directed to the linked destination. If it's text that you're working with, here's a helpful tip. Make sure to highlight the specific text you want to embed your link in. This is key because highlighting ensures you're linking exactly what you intend, avoiding any errors. With your element selected, the next step is to head to the Insert tab located in the PowerPoint toolbar at the top. The Insert tab acts as a gateway to navigating a plethora of options available to enhance your slides, including the magic of hyperlinks. Within this tab, look for and click on the Link button. This button is typically surrounded by other handy insert options, so it may take a moment to locate if you're not familiar with the interface. After clicking Link, a new window will appear. This is where the hyperlink creation magic truly happens. Within this window, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Insert Link. Here, it will direct you to another section that allows you to input your desired URL or link destination. Simply type in or paste the URL into the address bar provided. Ensure that the link is correct to avoid any broken or incorrect links. Double checking here is a good practice to ensure accuracy. Finally, once your link is typed into the address bar as intended, confirm it by clicking OK. This action seals the deal and officially adds your hyperlink to the selected text, shape, or image. Once you have saved this, it's a good idea to test it out by entering presentation mode and clicking on the linked element to verify that it directs you to the intended destination. So there you have it, you've successfully inserted a link into your PowerPoint slide. With these links in place, your presentation will not only convey information, but also guide your audience to further insights and resources. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more dynamic and interactive presentations.